The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it is the 14th day of May, and at 5 minutes after 4 o'clock in the morning, the temperature is 69, but the dew point is 65. And of course, the most important number is not the temperature, it's the dew point, which is higher today, and so you're going to start to feel more and more humidity. Today will be the 7th day that we've been 90 degrees or above, and the last day. Yesterday we had 94. I say the last day because we're looking at developing low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico, the National Hurricane Center monitoring an area in the eastern Gulf with tropical characteristics, perhaps maybe subtropical. It doesn't matter. It's going to bring some much needed rain into the area, and once it gets here, this pattern will be stuck here for at least 7 days. A better than normal chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially from midweek into the early part of next week. We'll look at how much rain could fall. What about the track of that low, and what will it mean for us? Let's get started.
High pressure plopped over Asheville, North Carolina today. A hot day, increasingly humid, and we note that low pressure area just to the west of Florida that could develop some tropical characteristics as it migrates to the north. And the migrating rain chances when we moving into South Alabama, I've got the rain chances small today at 20%. There's a better chance in the Wiregrass. I think we'll be in the low 90s today and increasingly humid. Tonight's low 62. Now, the National Hurricane Center has placed an X on the map for a disturbance just, let's say, southwest of Fort Myers, with a 40% chance of development into a tropical cyclone over the next 5 days. And the European agrees that, there's a small chance it could become a depression. It doesn't matter whether it develops or not. It's going to have a lot of moisture with it, and it's lopsided, so all the moisture is on the east side, and Florida is getting absolutely drenched today, and that'll be generally moving in our direction. Here's the map from the European. Tuesday at 1 p.m. with the low just south of, let's say, Destin, Florida. Showers and thunderstorms becoming more numerous across Alabama. Now, the exact track the low takes is important because all the rain is on the eastern side, or most of the rain is on the eastern side of it. You follow me? So the GFS is actually a little farther to the west than the European. So we're going to compromise on this forecast. Here's Friday afternoon at 1 o'clock. More showers and thunderstorms numerous across the area. And I think the chance of showers and thunderstorms continues to be pretty strong on Saturday, probably at least in the 50 to 60% range. And we're a few days out. Sunday, showers and thunderstorms persisting. So once this pattern gets started, it's going to be locked in for a while. Now, here's a compromise on the projected rainfall, perhaps 2 to 3 inches in the Wiregrass and closer to 2 inches in central Alabama, 1 to 2 inches in the western counties. We'll keep an eye on that for you. We need the rain. I've got the rain chances as high as 50% tomorrow. Notice how the temperatures are lower. 70% at least Wednesday and Thursday, and a 60% chance on Friday, and showers and thunderstorms continue over the upcoming weekend as well. It'll knock the temperatures down and the humidity up, and the pollen will be improving. This pollen situation, it's in the medium to high range today, but it goes down lower with the increase in the rain chances over the next few days. The European, the blue bars at the bottom showing scattered showers and thunderstorms around each day for the next 10 days. The GFS showing the temperatures knocked down in the middle of the week by the increase in showers and then rebounding next week. Our weather app keeps you on top of weather changes. Interactive radar is going to be helpful this week, right? And hourly forecast plus push notification for watches and warnings. Free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather.
Interesting to note that we are a couple of weeks away from the start of the hurricane season, and we'll continue to keep an eye on that little low in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. I think for us it's only good news, and that is rainfall. Have a great day today. I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, and Emily. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we look at this wet week ahead. And hope you have a great day today. Stay cool. It's going to be a hot and humid day.
Rich Thomas Weather.